Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, expert lash artist and mentor. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I do lash baths for my clients. I know lash baths are a thing that some artists do, some artists don't do. So I'm going to share with you guys also some of my reasoning for doing lash baths. Before we get into this video, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I promise you'll love it and grow here and find community. Like this video if you like the video. If you have any questions at the end, drop them in the comment section so that I can get back to you. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification button so that you're aware every time I share new valuable content. So let's get to it. Lash baths are a preferential thing based on the lash artist, but I think everybody should do lash baths. One of the reasons being, we market lash baths as a luxury service, and if we're putting out there that somebody's going to come to us and experience luxury, we need to return the luxury to them. They need to be able to feel that. And what better way to just add on the lash bath, clean your client's eyes to make them feel like they're getting more bang for their buck. Some lash artists who do lash baths, they charge they have a separate fee for them because they use it like as an additional service or an upcharge. I personally don't do that. Before I work on anybody's eyes, that is the first thing that we do. I clean their lashes with every fill and every full set. And if it's that big of a deal, if you feel like you're going to be cheated, if you feel like you're not going to get paid for a service that you perform, just include the price of your lash bath in your fill and full set cost. That way every client gets a lash bath. The second reason that I do lash baths is because I don't want to start on an unclean surface. Does that mean that when clients come in, their lashes are dirty? No, some clients clean before they come, some clean in the mornings, whatever the case may be. Some clients don't clean at all. So I definitely want to make sure that I'm starting off with clean lashes. Making sure that the lashes are clean helps my process while I'm lashing. So for instance, if a client has oils in their lashes or dirt and debris build up, makeup sitting in their lashes, the adhesive will not bond to that natural lash, which means that either during the service none of their lashes will stick, or after the service their retention is going to be poor because you didn't prep right from the start. So this is why I do lash bath services for all my clients. I also give every client who gets a full set a new lash bath kit, which comes with the lash shampoo, a lash brush, a shampoo brush, as well as a spoolie, a mascara wand that's in a little protective case. It's really cute. I want to make sure that I'm able to help my clients protect their investment. If they're going to come to me and pay me for lash extensions, I want to make sure that they have everything that they need to be able to take care of the extensions. Now, after the full set, whenever it's time for them to get another kit, the kits are only $10. They get another one. They have fresh stuff they can go on and do what they need to do to keep their lashes up. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this video and show you guys how I do lash baths for my clients, and I hope that it's helpful. One more thing, primers. Some people use primers instead of using the lash bath. My thoughts on it: do what works best for you and your clients, but I will recommend making sure that the primer that you use is a water-based primer and not an alcohol-based primer, because you don't want to strip the lashes of their natural oil and moisture. Remember, we need humidity for the adhesive to stick to the lashes, and if you've stripped every ounce of moisture from that natural lash, the bond to the natural lash with the extension is going to be a bit hard. Another thing that I saw on Facebook, in a Facebook group that I'm a part of, somebody said that they use Bonder before service to clean their lashes. Bonder is not for cleaning lashes. Bonder's job is to immediately cure the glue, dry the glue, so that your clients don't have to worry about their eyes burning, because it seals fumes in, so it keeps their eyes from burning. It helps with maximizing retention, and they don't have to wait that 24 hours before they can get their lashes wet and all of that, because it dries the glue solid. So now we can get into this lash bath. So first things first, I make sure to shake up my lash shampoo so that everything mixes together and that it'll foam correctly and doesn't come out watery and just in a consistency that it's not supposed to. I always make sure to clean down on the lashes. And when I educate my clients about how to clean their lashes at home, I let them know to clean their lashes gently in a downward motion. As you can see, I'm going back over the lashes a couple of times. This is just to make sure any makeup, any debris, any oils that may be in the lashes are being removed. I also make sure to clean my client's lash line and encourage them to do the same when they're doing their lash baths at home. A lot of times, crusties and buildup happens in the lash line, and if we neglect the lash line, then we'll be lashing on top of lashes that don't have a healthy root spot. Once I've got the lashes shampooed, I place a paper towel next to my client's face to catch any running water that will trickle down on the side when I'm rinsing. I use a rinse bottle, as you can see. You can find these on Amazon, or you can get them from thelashsupply.com. Use code T10 at checkout to save 10% and get free fast shipping. So after I rinse my client's lashes, I make sure that I pat dry very gently so that I can remove any excess water before I go in and fan dry. Now, I'm just repeating this process on the other eye, again making sure that I clean in a downward motion gently on the lash extensions to remove any type of debris, dirt buildup, and then I'm going to go back in and make sure that we get that lash line clean. As you can see, I ran out of lash shampoo, so I just apply some more to make sure that I can thoroughly clean her lashes. I do not cheat this process for the sake of all the reasons that I mentioned earlier in this video. After the lashes have been thoroughly rinsed and got a good pat dry, I go in with my fan to dry my client's lashes. As I'm drying the lashes, I'm using my spoolie to go in and make sure that I'm separating all of the lash extensions. That way they don't dry and mat together, and also I can ensure that everything is dry before I go in to do my take down and begin the lashing process. Once I'm confident that everything is clean and dry, it's time to go ahead and get my client taped down so that we can get into the lashing service. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope that it was helpful. I hope that it makes your journey as a lash artist easier. I hope that something was said that encourages you to do lash baths if you feel like it will be helpful for your clients and for the progress of your business. That's all for this video, y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.